How to train for Ironman Triathlon. Step 1. Monkey must first understand the size of Ironman Challenge. Ironman Triathlon is huge day of swim, bike, and run, while eating many bananas and drinking plenty coconut water. The race will be 3.8 kilometer swim, 180 kilometer bike, and 42.2 kilometer marathon run. Ironman is not for lazy monkey. It is for inspired monkey who want to achieve big personal goal, who have jungle discipline and want to hit personal target in life. Here is training program for how any crazy in the head monkey can do Ironman Triathlon. It take maybe 8 to 16 hours to finish race, and training and prep for most monkey take 6 to 12 months, depending on monkey fitness level. If you like crazy athletic challenge, then follow this program. Ironman not just muscles, it be monkey brain battle. Monkey wake up early, train when jungle dark. Monkey keep going when rain fall, when legs cry, when butt say stop. Monkey remind self, discipline is banana tree. Climb a little every day, one day reach top. Step 2. Build a training base. Before monkey commence Ironman training, monkey need already be comfortable with swim 1 to 2 kilometer, cycle 2 to 3 hours at steady pace, run 10 to 15 kilometers without needing nap. If not at this fitness level yet, monkey spend few months building jungle fitness. Monkey needs swim smooth like crocodile in river. Monkey not flail arms like chimpanzee at pool party. Practice in open water, lake, ocean, or big puddle behind jungle hut. Monkey sight landmark from water, not get lost like banana in river. Swim 2 to 3 sessions a week, slow and steady, build endurance. Monkey practice long ride on bike. Learn to eat banana while pedaling without crash into tree. Monkey build leg power, but also train patience, because fast legs like cheetah not help if monkey forget fuel. Monkey learn. Eat every 30 to 40 minutes or monkey turn into sad, slow sloth. Monkey legs feel like cooked spaghetti after bike, but monkey keep running. Monkey practice brick workouts. This is not monkey laying bricks. This is bike followed by run to adapt monkey legs to running with fatigue. Monkey start slow, finish strong. Monkey repeat mantra. Banana at finish line, banana at finish line. Step 3. Structure your training. Ironman Monkey will follow training plan with 4 phases: base, build, peak, and taper. Base phase is 12 to 16 weeks of long endurance, building monkey fitness across all 3 sports. Build phase is 8 to 10 weeks getting longer workouts, include brick sessions, bike plus run, and increasing intensity. Peak phase is 4 to 6 weeks longest training sessions, with efforts at race pace and practicing nutrition. Taper is 2 to 3 weeks of reducing volume to allow recovery before race day. Step 4. Weekly training breakdown. A typical week of training for monkey might include swim 2 to 3 sessions, focus on technique, intervals, and 1 long open water or pool swim. Cycle 3 sessions, 1 long ride 4 to 6 hour, 1 interval or tempo ride, 1 easy recovery ride. Run 3 sessions, 1 long run up to 30 kilometers, 1 tempo and or interval run, 1 easy run, 1 brick session per week. Bike plus run back to back so body no pain. Strength training 1 to 2 sessions. Core, functional strength, and injury prevention. Step 5. Train nutrition and hydration. Ironman success from monkey depend heavily on fueling and nutrition. Bad fuel equal no sugar in blood equal no energy. Monkey will eat huge amounts of jungle food in training. Practice race day nutrition during long workouts. Aim for 60 to 90 grams of carbohydrates per hour on the bike and run. Hydrate consistently. Dehydration equal muscle cramping. Body stop working. Need electrolytes and fluids to maintain body salt balance. Monkey not just drink water. Step 6. Mental training. Practice discipline. Long training days in heat, rain, or fatigue. Break long race down into bite-sized banana portions or milestones to avoid mental overwhelm. Even the biggest bunch of bananas is made of lots of small bananas. Visualize transitions, pacing, and finishing strong. Step 7. Race prep. Monkey need to test all gear before race day. Fit wetsuit, new swim goggles, bike setup, helmet. and shoes well before race day. Monkey need practice transition from swim to bike and bike to run. This is taking off wetsuit, swim cap, and goggles and get to the bike. Monkey not put helmet on backwards because lack of oxygen to brain. So monkey practice routine for when brain not working. Monkey need to plan pacing. Monkey don't go too hard or fast in the first 30 minutes because crowd yelling and excitement. Then blow up like a banana in the blender in the second hour. Go out steady on bike and save energy for monkey marathon. Key tip: don't be jungle hero in the first half of race, and don't be a monkey baby in the second half when you are feeling broken.